couplets.
Black cow.
Black cow. Black cow.
Grass is the main source of food for these black cows. Green frog.
Green frog. Green frog.
The frog is as green as leaves.
Pink window. Pink window.
The pink window opens to give us a lovely view.
White goose.
White goose. White goose. A goose often has white feathers.
Black cow.
Black cow.
Green frog.
Green frog.
Pink window. Pink window.
White goose.
White goose.
Cut.
Yes.
Got.
Cut.
Yes.
Got. His. Put. Come.
Shapes.
Oval.
Oval.
The window is shaped like an oval.
Heart.
Heart. Heart. Here comes a heart with your hands.
Square.
Square. These square biscuits look yummy.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
The picture frame is rectangle shaped.
Oval.
Oval. Heart.
Heart.
Square.
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
I. 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 Ill. Ill. I. Itchy. Itchy. I. Ink. Ink. Words start with I.
Ink.
Igloo. Ill. Image.
Insect.
Itchy.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome! Oval.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Great job! Rectangle. Choose the picture that goes with the word. Awesome!
Pink window.
Can you pick out?
Green.
Awesome!
Green frog.
Which one is?
Square.
Let's try that again.
Good try.
You did it!
Square.
Can you pick out?
Black cow.
Awesome!
Black cow.
Which one is?
Cut.
Fantastic! Can you point to?
Yes. Awesome! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.